How to fix Snapchat sound not working? First of all, check whether there is an update of Snapchat. Tap on Play Store or App Store. Now search for the Snapchat using the search icon and search bar. If there is update button, simply you need to update it to the latest version tapping on update button. An outdated application can create glitches on the Snapchat app. Now you need to check whether your Snapchat sound is working well or not. If not, follow the second step. Long press on a Snapchat app. Now tap I button. Once you access app info, select storage uses and tap clear cache. And lastly, you need to restart the device to make the changes. Simply hold power button on your device and swipe towards restart. And with this, your Snapchat sound not working problem will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.